Fuck. I'm the only one fucking in here, excuse my French. Fuck, there's my mag. Out with knees. Typical to put knee pads on. Fucked. Fuck's sake. Oh dear. Oh, I'm battered. Oh dear. Yeah, good shot! Oh, damn it.
The Brotherhood
Yeah, yeah. Oh, are you Brotherhood crew?
Yeah.
Oh, flipping.
Basically.
Cheers, man.
How many do we need? On the side.
Hey? Empty.
No. I was. Why two?
Because I like dual wielding.
Good man.
I'm crazy. Yo. Yeah, nice to meet you, dude. What's your name? I know you boys. It links to you on Instagram.
Yeah, obviously I'm not one of their newest, but like joined back about probably 3 months ago.
Oh, fair play, man.
But we've just recruited
Yeah,
two
good
more
bunch.
people.
Yeah.
So we've got like 2 paramedics now on our team.
Oh, nice.
And we've also got a cop on our team as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wicked, dude. Yeah, we're Red Widows. I've left my patch in the camper, but yeah, we're Red Widow Airsoft Squad Instagram, you know, usual
We're
stuff.
we're like camps.
Yeah.
Like way over there. Like
Yeah, right at the back, near the manor.
Yeah.
Snap.
Like literally just all you have to look for is the Brotherhood flag.
I'll come over and say hello later.
Yeah, alright.
Nice to see you, dude.
Alright, well look after yourself.
Yeah, you too, guys. Take care, man.
Some changes, mate. I what you're saying. I think we should go down Did you get yourself a good squat? Oh, yeah. I'll throw your head. Hey, quit.
Now that, sir, is a work of art. Fuck yes. Josh bought a couple of gyms.
Fucking domination, boys. I got right up to their spawn. Right up to their spawn. A fucking sniper got me at the end. You know the main path that goes through? This little muggin. No, that's already there. Yeah, I just saw Andy from Arabs. He just said hello. He's like, dude, you got a BB stuck in there. I was like, no, it's part of the effect, Andy. Leave it, please, mate. Are you doing a pistol run, Huff? Yeah. Well, me and you'll have a go, or you have a go, and then one of us two. Me and Rich. You can have a second run.
Yeah.
Why is there a tampon stuck to that? I keep seeing random shit. There's a tampon stuck to that sign. Fuck's sake. So you're back at work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh. That sucks.
I don't get back over it.
I can't pick what you want by food.
With food and then go have a
Yeah. Or do you want to have a look now? Or do you think a bit of energy first? Yeah, alright, snap. Yeah, it looks pretty quiet.
So I've got to see right because he scares me for it.
Does he? They're packing up now.
Yeah. That was the one I'll take.
Damn, you got that down quick. Fucking mission, boys. And yeah. Fucking heck, I do. Get some munches and then pistol range, I think. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Give it a go.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some fucking food. I'm getting cheesy chips, I think.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them from?
Curry monster.
Very much so. I'll go get in a queue, Rich.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Wicked. Excellent. So you travel. It's very hot. That's good. It's insulated.
good hat.
Yeah. Right, take care, yeah. Good seeing you. Maybe see you next year. Oh. No, it's good to use it in the winter. Where's Rich? Are we going up?
How far was winter?
A couple of months.
This is like, you know when people meet like their fans? Yeah. And that's
I know, I just went bright fucking red. I felt my face go red. Yeah.
The course is very simple. You go down the corridor, turn right and go room anti-clockwise, hitting the target. So you've got stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and then stage 4 across the floor. Okay. They're blue. When they go red, they're dead. Move on. Each stage is marked by a bell. Once you clear the first stage, the bell will ring.
Yeah.
Simple as. Happy?
Yep.
Cool. Excellent. That's the first load then. So if you want to come in.
Yeah, go on.
I know he's still eating, so I'll just
I've
give
got
him
my
a chance to finish
fucking
off.
dark safeties on, damn it.
Clear ones here.
Oh, wicked, yes please. Legend. That is fucking... Oh, that's way better.
Like cat makes, so what I'm doing is I'll put these in, you can then wind them up. Right?
Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Are we rocking rifles?
Yeah.
Wicked. I thought it was pistols. Okay. So, you say anti-clockwise,
So,
take a right at the barrels.
Then around.
No,
You
right.
go to the end of the corridor and turn right. And then follow it around, looking immediately everywhere. That
Where
you
these
see.
barrels are here,
You
yeah?
turn right, yeah.
Yeah, gotcha.
There's that one. So just wind that
So you
one
said
up.
left. So, we're both going right, aren't we? It's a double team. I'll take right, you take right, left, if that makes sense. Yeah? So when we...
The rifle each.
Lovely, thank you, sir.
Put the magazine in. Walk yourself down past the button on the right hand side, then I can press it.
Is it limited to semi or?
You can go full out, but you run out of BBs.
Yeah, I'm not doing that, there's no point.
I'm not doing it.
How do you put that up?
I wouldn't worry about the sights too
No.
much, you're getting too technical. Honestly, you're
Yeah?
getting too technical.
Alright,
Get as
cool.
close as you can. Okay.
So I'm going to have to go lefty.
Is
Is it?
Guys, can you just move forward? I think someone might have done it.
Oh, that's well cool in there. So we're going right in, yeah?
Yeah.
Then it goes like that. Yeah, you got it, I'll stick right, don't cross paths, yeah?
Yeah.
So the best time is?
53 seconds.
We got no chance.
So,
That'll probably be a
pass the
fun.
button for me, walk down a bit. Walk down a bit, walk down a bit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Rich. Right, you go far left. Right, I'm going right. Go. Take it. I've got right. Go. With me, Rick, you got it? Yeah, I'll go forward. Oh shit. I've gone too far, we missed one. Oh. Vamos. Oh, you're joking. Go. Oh my goodness, we're shit. Can we start again? What the hell? They said about this dodgy one. I don't know where it is. Oh, you're joking. Go, come on, go Rich, go. I've got forward. Tunnel. Look up. Damn it. Wind. My gun's not feeding. Oh. It's not feeding.
Give it a gentle tap.
Yeah. Totally dead. Oh, got it, well done. Cool.
You must have missed one because I haven't had a bell going.
I got it.
That's it, all across the floor now, guys.
Oh, what? Oh, same again, Rich. I've got the one on the right. No. Yeah, no. These two clear. I'm gonna have another go. What was that? Not bad for us. The gun failure, ran past them. Yes!